Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. And if you love trivia or just really love stumping your friends, you're going to have so many laughs with this game from 52 Card Trivia. Between the trivia questions themselves and your own answers and your friends' answers, this game kept us laughing. Even if you don't know much trivia, you'll definitely learn some new facts each time you play. And it's also really fun to learn what random facts your friends already know.
What famous rapper interrupted Taylor Swift's speech at the 2009?
Sorry, Taylor. There are so many trivia questions and cards that you'll have a brand new experience every single time you play. I think this is a great game night game because it can be played with friends you know very well, but would also make a great icebreaker game for new friends. And you'll never run out of trivia questions because this game is expandable with new decks already released and new ones coming out. There's something for everyone. So if you're an 80s music buff, there's a hard rock and hairband trivia deck for you. Who Said It trivia for those who like or are interested in famous quotes. And if you love Southern history, bourbon, and SEC college football, you might just be a Southern know-it-all. Even if you're not really good at trivia, you're still going to have a really great time with your friends with this game from 52 Card Trivia. And that's my point of view.